Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we believe is the best U-part human hair wig with no leave-out, the V-part Burmese curly wig from Kloiynj. If you've been on the lookout for a high-quality, glueless human hair wig that's beginner-friendly, super natural-looking, and doesn't require any leave-out, then this is a must-watch. Let's dive in. So, what makes this V-part wig stand out from the crowd? First off, it's made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, sourced from young donors. That means it's not only soft and silky but also tangle-free, and gives you a very realistic and luxurious appearance. The hair comes in a natural black Burmese curly pattern, which gives you that gorgeous, voluminous, bouncy curl look straight out of the package. Now, let's talk about the construction. This is an upgraded U-part wig, but with a twist. It's a V-part design. It features 3 combs, 5 clips, and a drawstring that ensures a snug and secure fit on your head. The best part? It's glueless. That means no adhesive, no lace, and no stress. You just clip it in, adjust the drawstring if needed, and you're good to go. And because it's designed with a V-part, you don't need to leave any of your natural hair out at all, which is great for protecting your edges and reducing tension on your scalp. One of the biggest perks is its 200% density. This gives you a very full and fluffy look that doesn't feel heavy. Even though it's dense, the wig is surprisingly lightweight and breathable, making it super comfortable for all-day wear. Whether you're heading to a party, going out on a date, or just want to look put together for everyday errands, this wig delivers versatility and effortless glam. Another nice bonus is what comes in the package. Along with the wig, Kloiynj includes multiple small gifts, which makes it a thoughtful present for someone or even a treat for yourself. Think of gifting it for holidays, birthdays, weddings, or even concerts and themed parties. It's truly designed for all occasions. The hair itself is unprocessed and comes in a natural color, which means you can dye it, straighten it, or style it just like your own hair. Just remember to keep it well moisturized and avoid brushing it while wet. Finger combing is best to preserve those beautiful curls. And of course, let it air dry after washing for maximum longevity. In summary, the V-part Burmese curly wig from Kloiynj is a top-tier choice if you're looking for a no-fuss, high-density human hair wig that doesn't require glue or leave-out. It's stylish, secure, protective, and above all, easy. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned wig wearers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. See you in the next one.